A guy trying to ice skate. Well, he's trying to ice skate. You know, he might hit us. Oh, ice. My leg's cold. Okay, turn that off. Oh no, pause it. Something. Throw some more!
How do you do it? Dude, how do you do that?
Just use my mouse.
Yeah, how do
And then press pause. You've been on YouTube before and that's... Yeah, add the shuffle, because I don't want my camera to fall. Go ahead, I'll be in here videotaping you guys. Sorry, 1 minute.
Oh.
Where's your face? That fell into a pool. What? Okay, that's fun. That's fine with me. Wow. Well, I guess I can tape for 5 more minutes. Spying.
We're not actually spying, just tell you.
Yeah, we're just taping in.
Whoa.
I don't know where he's going, I'm just taping him.
As you see, he's being a fucking retard.
I'll just videotape him.
He's being gay. He's the gay.
Falling ice! We need some bigger pizzas. Ooh.
I didn't do crap.
We need some bigger pieces, JT.
There is no more.
Well, go in the water. Stop. JT, go in the water. Start swimming. I don't know.
That did crap.
Well, I guess JT's just throwing ice. And yes, I will be putting this on YouTube. JT ice skating.
Alright, I'll get a bigger piece.
Okay. Well, that's JT trying to get a bigger piece.
Holy, he got a bigger piece. He got a way bigger piece now.
JT, you're like soaked.
Yeah, kind of.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. 'Cause I'm cold.
Well, I can't even find you, like, on my camera.
I'm right here, retard.
Well, it's not that easy. Well, you hit me.
You're gonna get a shoe. Yeah.
Leave your shoe. I suggest we shut the window and run.
Yeah. Let's.
Well, I guess I'll talk to you later, JT.
Okay.
Bye, bitch.
Bye. That was some ice skating and throwing ice and other stuff. Okay, bye.